Welcome to another luxury listing presented by the Cheek team of Keller Williams Realty. 139 via Old Sound Boulevard offers everything that you're looking for your coastal lifestyle. This home has 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and is well decorated throughout the entire home, being offered as fully furnished. This home has access to the water of Jinks Creek and has amazing views. Enjoying the sunset is truly going to be a delight in this home. Take a dip into the pool and enjoy your coastal lifestyle. Come take a tour of this home today. Contact the Cheek team of Keller Williams Realty.